Designed for use with Ingersoll Rand reciprocating air compressor models, SS3 and SS5. 100 SIG cut-in, 135 SIG cut-out. NEMA Type 1 enclosure. OEM pressure switch for SS3 and SS5 compressors. 23,474,661. Return your single-phase air compressor to peak performance with the Ingersoll Rand 23,474,661 pressure switch. This genuine OEM replacement part is designed for use with Ingersoll Rand SS3 and SS5 air compressor models. The pressure switch constantly monitors the compressor tank's pressure level, helping keep it at a safe level. Featuring a NEMA Type 1 enclosure, it has a built-in unloader valve and is rated for applications at 100 SIG cut-in and 135 SIG cut-out. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed the air compressor. This worked and fixed the problem but had to put it on upside down. They changed. Get the fittings.